Smart sketching always starts with setup. If your view feels tricky, just rotate it. If you look closely, this shape is built by repeating this section. So, we only need to sketch this section and repeat it later. As you can see, this section is at an angle, which makes it tricky to draw and even understand it. Rotating the drawing to align it with the horizontal or vertical axes makes sketching much easier and more precise. The way a drawing is presented can make it tricky to understand or sketch. Angled geometry is especially challenging because dimensions and constraints don't line up with the main axes. By simply rotating the drawing to align angled features with the horizontal or vertical axes, we make everything much easier to draw and constrain. This small step saves time, reduces mistakes, and keeps your sketch clean. Even in complex shapes, taking a moment to adjust your view makes the whole process smoother. So always check your drawing orientation before starting to sketch. It's a simple trick that makes a big difference. Adding this dimension causes the sketch to become over-constrained. Now we need to investigate and find out which constraint is causing the issue so we can fix it. If we look closely, we can see a coincident constraint that shouldn't be here. We actually started from the wrong point. Now we have the base section. Simply mirror it once and then mirror it again. Keep repeating this until the full shape is complete. Keep practicing and stay tuned for more.